Lush, and I'm here at the Hub Culture Davos Pavilion. Delighted now to be joined by Cathy Bessant. Thanks very much for coming along.
Thanks, Edie.
Chief Operations and Technology Officer, Bank of America. Really interested in the amount of technology, the amount of patents that Bank of America files, and how often those are cited by other technology companies. What's that about?
Well, we're pretty proud of our record, and we've created it on purpose. You know, technology is the banking business these days, and not just for consumers, but for large corporate and institutional customers as well. And in order to both generate revenue, do great things for customers, but also protect the company and our innovation, it's really important that we get great at the patent and intellectual property game. So we've worked hard on it. We've moved our way up in the rankings, and we think we're making real change.
Tell me what you think. Give me some examples of the things you're most proud of that you've seen in terms of technology at Bank of America.
Well, you know, it's very tough to want to be safe and secure and at the same time be innovative on behalf of customers. And so, you know, we're doing exploratory things in cryptocurrencies and in blockchain and other things. So doing some exploratory, but at the same time spending a fair bit of money reinventing the basic foundational platforms of the firm so that as we try to pursue change aggressively and quickly, the platform of the firm actually can stand up to that.
How does that work? How do you balance the needs of millennials who clearly want it only on their phone? Well, many of them do. Gen Xers who still like to talk occasionally to someone on the phone, and my mom who wants to go into a branch.
Well, thank God they still want all three. And the truth is, our customers are each of those things at various points in their lives. So our idea is how our customers want to work with us. When they want to work with us, it's our job to be there and be there in ways that are meaningful to them. So there isn't really a question of balancing. There's a question of doing all of those things very well and at the same time doing them in ways that produce a bottom line for shareholders.
And how do you look at the fintech revolution, all those companies who are out there trying to get a little piece of Bank of America's business? How do you coordinate, cooperate, and compete with them?
Well, we work with a lot of them. We have deliberate programs to help fintech companies develop, and then we either partner with them or buy from them as they grow and have the capability to support us. In some cases, we work at it by just getting flat competitive to say, no, that part of our business is not up for grabs. It's core to who we are, the soul of what we do, and we're just flat going to win.
What's the role of women in banking?
Well, the role of women in banking is huge. Half of our workforce is women. And while that's a tougher challenge in the more senior ranks of the company, we work pretty hard at that every day. Diversity always wins in a financial institution, more creative, better outcomes, longer period of time. So big role and still a lot of work to do.
Cathy, thank you very much for stopping by the Hub Culture Pavilion
Thanks,
here
Edie.
in Davos, and I'm Edie Lush.